With setup out of the way, it's time to get those bins whipped into shape. In this next section, we'll cover BinWhip operation and cleaning techniques that will make you a bulk flow pro. Before you begin whipping out the bin, remember that there must be a clear flow channel to the discharge opening at the bottom, so the material you knock loose has someplace to go. For most materials, we recommend a channel at least 12 inches or more in diameter. Also, the BinWhip is designed to attack hang-ups from the bottom, not the top. For these reasons, you may need to make use of a tool like Pneumat's bend drill to maintain a clear flow channel or create an opening through bridged product for the BinWhip to enter. You'll be spending a while at the edge of the access hole, so you'll want to organize your workspace so you can comfortably reach and operate the controls while looking into the bin. Speaking of looking into the bin, this may be the last look you get for a while, depending upon the material you are clearing and how much dust the BinWhip kicks up. Take a moment to make a mental picture of what the bin interior looks like and consider where you want to start and how you're going to attack the buildup. You'll want to begin cutting about 10 to 15 feet down from the top of the hang-up, working your way down as you go. Do not begin at the bottom of the bin in large buildup conditions, as a large fall of material could damage the BinWhip or the bottom of your bin. Lower the whip head into position using the hose up-down control. Using the boom up-down control or rotation ratchet crank, position the boom assembly such that the whip head is resting against the hung-up material with enough pressure that it will be drawn into the material as it cuts. Using the hose reel rotation control, begin lifting the whip head slowly through the product. The rate of ascension will vary depending upon the hardness of the material being cleared. Your goal is to rise slow enough to fully clear the material the whips come in contact with, but fast enough so that the whip head is not left spinning in midair. Don't pan the boom and whip head back and forth inside the bin. Rather, focus on cutting out cylinder after cylinder of product, working your way towards the bin wall. After reaching the wall, rotate the boom to start cutting another groove into the product, repeating this process until that layer has been cleared. Then move downward to clear lower sections. If you ever feel that you are losing control of the BinWhip, reduce the rotation speed. Take special care not to bury the whip head in product, but if you do not attempt to free it from the product using the hose reel or boom controls, or serious damage to your BinWhip could occur. Instead, immediately shut down the equipment and attempt to free the whip head by draining the material around it from the bin. Please see your manual for additional information about this procedure. When you're finished cleaning the bin, simply reverse the steps in the setup procedure to remove and dismantle the BinWhip as outlined in the technical manual. Clean the components thoroughly to ensure their longevity before returning them to storage.